optimize data security using Joe Admin. Protecting access to your data and database applications is easily managed via the Joe Admin console. It is found here under System Administration Consoles. Ideally, only system administrators or super users would have access to this console. Joe Admin is an abbreviation for Job-Oriented Environment Administration. In simple terms, it means Database Security Administration. Double-click the console to access your firm's security settings. Once inside Joe Admin, you will be presented with this screen. At the top of the screen will be the menu bar and toolbar, a left panel and a right panel. On the left-hand side in the navigation panel are the profile groups relevant to your practice to which you will assign your staff, and below this are your current or non-terminated individual staff members. The right-hand panel shows the lower level detail of what has been chosen on the left panel. At APS, we encourage you to establish role-based profile groups. It is more efficient and easier to manage assigning application permissions to a group as opposed to individuals. We can click on the profile groups to see the members that are contained within that group. Alternatively, by clicking on the individuals, we can see what groups they are included in. The default settings is the only exception to this, as every current member of staff is automatically included in your default settings. Let's look at how we can grant or deny access to areas of our data and application. Firstly, select Default Settings Profile, and then on the menu bar, select Joe Rights. This directs us to the Joe Rights page, where the navigation panel now shows specific database consoles and pages, and the right-hand panel shows the permissions granted or denied to the functions within. In this example, the default settings for staff members to view the client console, but they do not have permissions to add or delete new clients. It is important to stress that each and every single box should have either a tick or a cross to allow or deny at the default settings group. Every subsequent or additional profile group you create will inherit the default settings, and you can build up the permissions granted to subsequent profile groups. A quick example is shown here by selecting the Client Services Administration group from our profile list, and we can now see for the same central console area that this group does have the permissions to add and delete clients. Clicking on the User Groups icon navigates us back to our original screen where we began, and clicking on the right-hand cross closes us out of the console.